Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardens are always special place, generally outdoors, which are filled with flowers, herbs, plants, and sometimes man-made materials. Garden helps in cleaning the environmental pollution by removing harmful gases generated in our metro life. We can create nature-like environment to home by own garden. Garden help is providing essential benefits that can have a significant impact on mental and physical well-being. Gardening is a good hobby. You can adopt it. Garden is very close to my heart as it adds beauty to my house and surrounding areas. Our garden is quite spacious as we live in the countryside which is on the outskirts of the city. The garden is the best part of my house as it is filled with beautiful flowers and one can spend hours in my garden without getting bored, and many beautiful birds have built their nests in the backyard of my garden. I have also built a small house for my pet dog in the garden. We have rows of seasonal flowers like sunflower, roses and lilies which make garden colorful. Our garden is also full of aromatic herbs like aloe vera, mint, lemon, and coriander. Beside beautiful flowers of aromas, we also grow organic vegetables and fruits in the garden. Garden is a place of hangout. Thanks for watching.